You a gangster, not one. Try to saver. Always focus on your paper. Don't got time to wager.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cachet, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new, hey pooh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we lit over here. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be vlogging my day. It's Saturday, August 29th. So yeah, I'm just gonna be vlogging my day. Vlogs are really not even planned, so I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Don't mind my nails because they're falling off. I'm going out of town soon, so stay tuned for those videos because they're gonna be lit. But yeah, I'm going out of town soon, so I'm preparing. I did my own hair, y'all, yesterday and everything. Like, I know it probably look crazy. It's not as slick as I need it to be, but it's gonna do for because I leave next week and I didn't feel like going to get my hair done and all that again. So yeah, y'all want to see what I'm doing today, then just keep on watching. I'm currently on my way to pick up something from my dad, and then I'm gonna go home and eat breakfast, and then yeah, we'll see what I want to do. My makeup today, I think, because I haven't did it in a minute. I'll be giving my face a break. Well, it's only been like a week or two, but I used to wear it like every weekend or every other weekend. Yeah, I don't wear makeup every day. I don't know how people do it. Like, it's so irritating. And then I'm supposed to be getting my lashes done. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, because I'll be ready to snatch lashes off in a millisecond. Like, I'll be ready to take it all off. Like, I take my lashes off before I take my makeup off all the time. So I really don't know how I'm about to be able to do that. But yeah, I did my hair. I really don't like it, but it's like, it's gonna do for a little bit. My braids should have been a little bit more thicker, because y'all know the last one I just had was like on top of my head. This one I tried to do like a little slick back, but it did not work like that at all. Okay guys, I'm back home. I already started eating, of course, because I'm fat. I ate as soon as I walked through the door. But I'll show y'all my food. I got pancakes, a biscuit, grits, eggs, and bacon. And I got some fresh water that she made herself. What is it? The French toast waffles?
Yeah.
And they
Very good.
My shoes came in the mail. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. They took forever, but they finally came. And I love them. Have y'all ever shopped on StockX? Please let me know, because I waited. If you hear something, that's the fan. I'm trying to talk loud so y'all can hear me. But I waited over a month for these shoes, and they said they would be here like August 11th or something, and they finally came this morning. I don't know if I'm going to be ordering from them again. It has to be something that I really want. But it's like, where do you find ones at? People don't sell ones unless it's like just releasing. But yeah, I don't know what I got planned today, but hopefully it's soon. What do I need to do? I need to go pick up luggages from my mom's house, because I left my luggage there. I'm gonna pick that up. I'm gonna do a packing video, like a whole packing video, and then I'm gonna do get ready with me for my trip. It's gonna be nails, hair, lashes. Her trip. It's her birthday trip. So yeah, I'm gonna do nails, hair, lashes. Like, get ready with me in that. So I'm gonna combine them if they turn out like, if it's not much footage, I'm gonna combine them. But yeah, don't mind my hair, I told y'all. Listen to this. I think it's about an hour later. I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys my Converse too. Ain't they so cute? Y'all, I got a pair of these actually. I just needed to buy me some new ones because those was like pretty dirty. So they so cute and little. They is a little big for me, but I just got a bigger size. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving looks on my trip. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at @ForeverCache _ no periods, nothing, just Forever Cache. Follow me. It's my new Instagram. I had an old Instagram, but I just wanted to start over. I feel like my Instagram was like stuck where it was, like I wasn't growing at all. So make sure you follow me on there. You guys, I also got this flat iron yesterday from Target, and when I tell you it works so good, it works really good. It's double ceramic. It's like a white flat iron with rose gold. This flat iron was only $20, and when I tell you it works miracles, like it literally pressed my hair out. Like it's so good. So if you're looking for a flat iron, get this one. This is the brand. Y'all, I really need to go get my eyebrows done. I think I'm gonna get them done when I get my nails done. To me, they don't be looking that crazy. Like for me to just not get them done. My eyebrows be pretty good for the most part. Of course, I got like hairs that grow, but they don't be looking crazy. Like, and I also hate getting them done because I always break out afterwards. That's so annoying. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I might put on some mascara. I hate mascara actually. And lashes, I don't feel like putting lashes on either. So we're gonna be bare pasted today. I'm gonna find me something to put on, and then yeah. So y'all, I literally threw something on. Look at my necklace, ain't it so cute? I got this from Coco Collections on Instagram. I think that's her name. Yeah, I think her name is Coco Collections. I got it from her. The shipping was pretty fast. I want one of those clear scrunchies. If y'all seen them, let me know in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. Like they're like plastic, but they're scrunchies, and they super cute. They like different colors. Let me know if you see them, okay? Okay. Even though this doesn't match perfectly, I think I want to wear this. This is like my favorite bag. My granny got me this some years ago at Target, I think, and I was so surprised she found this at Target. Like, ain't this so cute? This will forever be my favorite bag. And they had other colors. I should have told her to give me I think they had like a dark green and a black. I should have told her to give me all of them. This is so cute. I'm just gonna wear this. Guys, I'm back. Now I'm at Chubby's. If you live in Milwaukee, I'm sure you know what this is. They have like donuts and ice cream. And I like to get the little raspberry drizzle on top to add a little flavor, okay? I really want some tacos, but they usually have a taco truck and it's not over here. So I'm confused. I don't feel like driving anywhere else. The taco trucks usually be on the south side. And that's way on the other side of town because I'm in downtown right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my ice cream, okay?
Subscribe to my channel, link in bio.
I look a mess. I really thought I was doing something yesterday. Like, it's okay though. It's gonna last a little bit. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow. No, I'm just kidding. But this is my little first time. Let me know in the comments how about it. It ain't that slick, but it's still cute. Don't come for me, okay? Okay, I got my stuff, y'all. Don't it look so good? This lady snapped. She stuffed it. Usually they put like 4 donuts, but she put a lot. So shout out to her. It's gonna be so good. Don't mind my nails, y'all. He in the back maxing. It's so good.
Hey, I only got 3 donuts now.
That was just so cool. My advice is to come early. Usually people like to come to this place at night, but it's good. Last time we came at night, it wasn't that good. And the lady last time had an attitude and everything. Like, girl, it was kind of packed, but there's nobody for it. These donuts. Oh my.
Copyright, reading, shut down.
I think we had like 15 seconds. Y'all, this is so good. Okay. I ain't gonna steer y'all in the wrong direction. Y'all know.
Y'all eat too slow.
You eat too fast.
Y'all eat way
That's
too slow.
ridiculous. If I eat all this, I'm gonna be surprised, y'all. Something is wrong with me. I cannot eat dairy products, like all of it, like ice cream, milkshakes. I cannot finish it all. Like, I will have a whole milkshake or something, and I would drink just a little bit, and I'll be done with it. And I'm almost done with this, so y'all know what's good. But the stuff don't even be nasty. I just be not being able to finish it. I just got powder all on my veins. I just ended up stopping to get me some Spanish food. This is Spanish rice. This is white rice with beans. And this is called potato balls. And this is empanadas with beef. Now I'm in Myers. I just got a couple things for the house. I just got some cleaning stuff for the house. I really came here for Clorox wipes because that's what they said they had here, but I don't see them. Obviously, they didn't update their site, but I got some other stuff. Okay, guys, I'm back from Myers. That was the last little clip y'all seen. And I just really got some house stuff. Like I said, I got this fabric spray. I always spray this on my couch. It smells really good. This is the lavender scent, spring and renewal. It smells really good. Then I got these garbage bags. Make sure y'all get the scented garbage bags, okay? Because garbage already stinks, so these just make it way much better, and they smell really good. I also got some of these wet jet pads because I have a Swiffer. And then I got some travel stuff too. Because like I told you guys, I'm going out of town soon. So I got some travel size stuff. I really went there originally, like I said, for Clorox wipes, but they didn't have any, unfortunately. But it said that online, so I don't understand what's the issue there. But I think that's gonna be all for my vlog. I hope it was enough footage. I was going to keep it going until tomorrow, but I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I might just make another video tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, I'll be back with more videos, more lit content soon because I'm going out of town. I'm gonna be vlogging. And then y'all stay tuned for the pack with me and stay tuned for the get ready with me for my trip. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, get me to 700 subscribers. Bye guys, see you in my next video.
Baby, let me change your life. You wanna see You can be anything you want.